rolling in here to Kyoto Hibachi Sushi and Bar. It's a restaurant here, so hopefully they're open. I don't think there was a gate on the wheels. I think that's just the design. The sign looks like they're open, so alright, here it is. See what this is like, see what I can record. Parking for Kyoto, take us our park down here. There it is, look at that. It says they're open. Fortunately, this is all reserved for like yoga and other places, yoga body. And I've had my car towed like an apartment before. See, they parked over there. So, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna park across the street, not even take any risk. So, there's the center market. I've been over there a few times. I'm just gonna park over here where it's at. I've had my car towed before from like apartments. It was like 4 a.m. I never forget it, and it was like less than 20 degrees outside. So I'm not risking it. Alright, let's go in. Yeah, this place has good reviews. Like, look. Some other people just put it. So most people parking over here. Again, most likely where it's safe. And they're walking over there. It might be pretty packed. I was hoping it wouldn't be, but I mean, it's Sunday night. Next week, everyone goes back after the holiday. So everyone's going back to work. Anyway, this is going to be a quick food review. Honestly, I'm getting shrimp fried rice, and I'll get something to go back and eat later. And again, I brought my Zyrtec, Pepsi. I'm waiting for some other people to get here, so. And I'll let you know what it tastes like. It has good reviews. I mean, I haven't been to a hibachi place in like over a decade or two, like since I was a kid, so. Let's see. So, I'm pulling forward. I don't like when too many people just park next to me, so. I'll pull forward here and I'm good. Alright. But here's a view before I go in. Alright. This is all new over here, so. They've been building it a few years now, but I've been wanting to check this out. There's the sky. So I'm just waiting here. I'm gonna get like, I'll probably get like 2 to go. Here it is. It's nice in here. Wow. Yeah, this is nice. The table. Oh, it's a birthday, beating drums. It's about to start.
Buy or die? Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready? Yeah. Watch eyebrow, watch yeah, wow. Fireman here.
I felt it. Yeah.
Okay, boy. Let's do it. Come on. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh no, what happened today? Yeah, here we go. Wow.
I miss him.
Come on, yeah. Good. Come on. Yeah. Okay,
I'm not doing one.
Oh, yeah. Butterfly. Butterfly. Okay, black pepper. Okay, we need some dark pepper. Yeah. okay?
Yeah.
Teriyaki okay there, right?
We have a second. May I have extra ginger?
There we go.
There's the chicken.
See that? Great. We have a fillet here.
The volcano.
Yeah, here we go. Gama, gama, gama. Wow. Fire, firework. Yeah. Yo, yo, yo.
Cool. Yeah, I want to learn how to do that. Thank you.
One.
Man. Alright, let me test it out. See what it tastes like. Good. Alright, now waiting on the vegetables. Alright, here's the food. It's good so far. Oh, some food was missing. Salad. And miso soup. Vegetables. It's all good. One more and I'm done. Take the rest back. That's good. Yep. I'll give it a 9 out of 10. Alright, coming out to the car. So yeah, the food was good, man. I give it a 9 out of 10, maybe 9.5 out of 10. You know, I haven't been to this type of restaurant in like over a decade or two. It's been a long time. But yeah, that's what it's like at nighttime. So yeah, it was good, man. Gotta get out of here. I got some to go box. I eat the rest when I get back. And learn some other things health wise. So may go check on that recently or soon. Anyway, well, that's the review. Like I said, 9 out of 10, 9.5 out of 10. So anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you.